Hello and good day to everyone, and welcome to the first lecture series of using geophysical software, which is an open source software called Madagascar. So in this first video, I am going to show how you can install the Madagascar software in your Linux operating system. So first of all, you have to go to the browser and search for Madagascar, or you can go directly to ahay.org. So all the instructions and the software is available on this website. So you can go to the download folder over here. So these are the source code which you can directly access. You can open in a new window over here, and the latest version of the Madagascar which is available right now is the 3.1.1. so you can click on the download button, so it will start the download into your system. So we can just put like save. Then you can also follow these steps to install or unzip your files. Then you can go for the installation of this software. Let me see if it is downloaded. So you can go into, then you can just extract it here. So you can extract here. So once it is extracted, you have to just cut this folder and bring to your home directory. So you can paste it here. So once you paste it here, it will come over here. So now you can go to your terminal, and over here you just have to check either your Python is already installed and GCC and the library which needed to run the Madagascar. So let me just look at the Python version, which one is already installed here. So for checking the Python version, so you can just click, you can just type Python -- version. So in my case, I already have the Python version 2.7, and also you can check the Python 3 -- version. So Python 3 is also installed. And also if we want to look at the GCC, so over here it will show the with GCC or the library you already installed. So once you have done this one, you can look at the directory ls. So for once you bring your Madagascar directory into your home, then you don't need to follow this statement, which is this prefix. So you can just run /configure. So once you run this one, so it will so after this you have to run all these commands like /configure then once you run it, then it will take some time to run the process. So after that you can run the make install. It will actually asking you to run the package through administrator password or the administrator login. So you can run sudo make install. Then it will ask the password, so you can just give your password for this Linux. So it will take some time to run all the package and install in your Ubuntu. Once the installation is done, you will get this message. So the SCON done building targets. So this message will indicate that all the thing has been installed. So now you will see another message. To start using Madagascar, you have to do the source en environment.sh or environment.csh from this one. But I observed that once you keep your directory as a home, you put your Madagascar at home directory, then you don't need to do. So for after completing these steps, so if you follow these notes, so you have to follow this source RSF. But I observed that if we are using the home directory, so we don't need to run this source bash rcs. So after this one, you can open the new terminal and you can just look at the sfin. Is it the Madagascar working or not? So that's what you can look at the sfin. Then also you can run some other commands. Sf attribute. So the attribute is also working. And just to go back, you can insert the Control Z. So as a wiggle. Okay, this is also working. So once this is done, then we will move to the next session for some hands-on practice on Madagascar. So if you would like to uninstall the Madagascar, then you can just go to this portion and you can insert -c install. So that will uninstall your Madagascar from the Linux. Or also you can make this clean. So that is to remove your Madagascar from the Linux environment.